Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antoni. Kubleye phi baru kinigilongi khubor bam dagasni. Deputy Inspector General of Police Eastern Range Dr. Davis N.R. Marak IPS ulayathu hakilat pathai khubor ba kajing tohkit halor kajing sha Pyniap uraja Raghuvanshi ha Sohra kadang yad bat kalapoi shakabenta kabadan kamban pet Pyniap ha. UDIG uloong bakalong gabadan kamban pinshisha shwa kajing ta dawai ne jing tingin ya unong sha Pyniap namar utai ubri uladon ha kajing sha pin mensau bat ulaja ngai. Ha kajing shongshit jong kajing tohkit lalap badan kajing ye pher ba kajing bam yahab ha kajing batai jing gibriu ba sha tohkit. Kaba pen I badan ki benta badang klem pau shai. Ula pentip ru bakat kum kajing tohkit kaba minta ladon kajing keno bakawi ka kentei kala dan benta ringkat ba gibriu bala keno kum kinong Pyniap. Kani ka kentei la sakhi baklaya rap ru banra ya ka metyap shakawa kabala pelong ya gibor pulit bantala sibnya halor kajing don kti jongka. Kakin hun tohkit kalayo shibun ki sakhi bat sakhian bala ban penshisha ya kijing smothu bat kibriu ki bala don kti ha kini kakam la dep ban kem. Kajing tohkit kadang yai beteng ban lam ladang don shu ki badan bentane em. UDIG ulo ongru bakat kum kajing yate jung ki sakhi bat karukam pelong ya kini kakam kala ban long ka badon kajing thmu ka bakham juliu kham tam halor ki kam runar omtang badai ka kam Pyniap ka bayadei ba kalong ye. Ulo ongru baladadan kawe ka kinhun shinrang bat kentei bala poisha Sohra ban ne honeymoon henry kimsham la pini AA hakilat pathai kubor ne haki social media. Kani ka jingle kalan kala pelong iki pulit ban pet Pyniap bha halor ka jing don jongki bat ka jing keno ba kawe na ki kentei kala don hakapor barakit ya ka metyap shawa. Ka jing tohkit menta kala poisha ka benta ka bakrau bat ki bor pulit kini ai beteng ban wat benya kat kum ki sakhi khnang ba onna ban penshisha ka jing shisha ka bapura halor kane ka jing ja bas ngosi ha Sohra.
Only after we complete the interrogation.
Now, one question is, how do they carry the suitcase and the scooter? It is heavy. So, was there any other vehicle they took?
No. As far as we know, they carried the suitcase. The rider put it in front in the front side and between his legs, and that was how they carried the suitcase.
So while escaping, so whether Sonam escaped with this because since the accused other accused has scooty, whether Sonam escaped with them.
Yes, it appears halfway she went along with this other accused persons, halfway up till Mokhodok, and from Mokhodok, it appears she went. The other accused persons is three contact killers. They went ahead, and Sonam from there proceeded to Guwahati, and then thereafter to Indore.
So, this scooty was abandoned in Sohra.
Yes.
Do you think that the contract killers did drove this or nobody else?
Yes, it must be either the contract killers or Sonam herself, because at that point of time there were three scooties, and it appears they were together at that point of time. That scooty was abandoned at Sorarim with the key on, with the key of the scooty, and thereafter Sonam got into one of the scooties along with the contract killers. So I will not be able to reveal all that. So it's a matter of investigation. So I will not be able to reveal.
So are this
there.
In which part of Sri Lanka they hired the scooty?
So all that details I will not be able to share at this point of time.
So they will be seeking any information from the police?
Yes, we will be seeking assistance from Guwahati police also, and all other state police wherever the assistance is required. We'll be seeking assistance and help from those police forces as well.
Because the one weapon was from there, and they stayed the night.
Yes.
Just was there.
Yes. Confess that she is a part of the conspiracy, but the question about as to who is the mastermind, that needs to be established, because she is blaming Raj, whereas Raj is blaming or putting the blame on Sonam.
this is since you have said this is a big information. So now since she
Them to Sohra after we have completed our interrogation, because during the interrogation we need to establish the facts and the inconsistencies in the statements of different accused persons, that will have to be ironed out, and once there is clarity in the statements of all the accused persons, then we will be taking them to different places for recreation of the crime scene. That is under investigation, and this is what we are asking the accused persons at this stage. So at this stage, I will not be able to confirm that. What we are establishing the fact through interrogation, and we will be also, based on their statements, we will be verifying whatever she sees, and then we will be able to say how much or what kind of transaction have taken place.
Sir,
As of now, the accused persons have denied, but that cannot be ruled out, and it is a matter of further investigation. SIT members are there, and the members of the SIT, as they are interrogating these accused persons.
Okay, since we seeking the court for lie detectors and
See, first of all, when they give their statements, we have to verify the veracity of their statements. Like if they say that, okay, we have done this, or we have gone to that place, X, Y, Z place, or and all that, we will actually have to physically go and verify whether their statement matches with the facts or not. So that we will have to actually physically go and investigate and verify their statements as to their alibis.
sir,
Now she has denied, and from the statements of the accused person, it appears that it was the hired contract killers who actually killed Raja.
but
The statement of the accused persons, that is the contract killers, suggests that that Sonam helped in throwing the body after Raja was killed. She helped in lifting the body and throwing to the gorge.
all these activities were done in Vaisavdam or any other place.
According to the statements, it was done in Vaisala. That Scooty has been hired from Shillong, so we are also uh, confirming about when they hired, where they went, and all that, and all the routes also. We are also confirming from the source.
Since when
As far as our information goes, they probably reach Shillong around the same time with Sonam and Raja.
so you are saying about the main accused, main suspect.
See, we have already given in our earlier statements also that Sonam and Raj, they are the prime suspects, okay, and the prime accused. So we stand by that. As of now, they continue to be the prime accused. However, who is the actual mastermind who actually started this plot? That needs to be to be established at this stage.
There was a media. She was operating his account. So any information about it?
See, this information you will have to ask the SP and the team which is interrogating, because as of now interrogations are going on. So that details of the interrogation will be briefed to you by the SP today later in the evening.
Because they are saying that how will we be establishing who will be the main conspirator?
See, that is why first we are now recording the statements of this accused persons separately, individually. At a later date, now we will confront them with the other accused persons, and the the contradictory statements will be placed before both the accused at the same time, and then we will see that so and so is saying this, so and so is saying this. What actually is the truth? That we will be placing before the accused persons, and we will establish the truth based on by confronting each other the accused persons.
okay.
We have sufficient officers who are part of this interrogation team. Who are directly involved in the killing of Raja have been arrested. If there are any more accused persons, that we will establish during the course of investigation.
Can you also tell us about their movement? Who came first? The killers came first or the couple came? Yeah, to Sohra.
Like I said, both of them are the couple and the killers. They arrived more or less during the same time.
So total three scooties were hired.
Yes. See, initially when this report came to us about this missing couple, we were not very sure as to what the circumstances, under what circumstances they have gone missing. So we thought that maybe it could have been an accident, it could have been robbery, it could have been murder, it could have been so many other things. So we were not ruling out anything at that point of time. And later, from one of the homestays in Sohra, we recovered the suitcases of the missing couple. And surprisingly, in the suitcase, we found the Mangal Sutra and one ring. So we were surprised because we usually do not expect a newly married couple, especially the woman, to take off her Mangal Sutra and go roaming. So that was where we expanded our investigation, and we also included maybe Sonam and the possibility of Sonam being a part of some sort of some criminal activity on the part of Sonam, and that is how we proceeded with our investigation. One of the red lights, in a sense that see, there were certain inconsistencies in the facts that we were before the police at that point of time. Like for instance, we had recovered the body, we had recovered the murder weapon, but the girl was missing. Then there was a case of this Mangal Sutra. There were also cases like, for instance, like a new couple had come to Sohra for honeymoon, and there was nothing posted on the social media, no photographs taken of the couple and all that. So these were the red flags that actually made the police investigate the angle of probably an inside job. See, it appears so, but like I said, we will be able to establish all that and confirm all that only after we complete the interrogation.
Now, one question is, how do they carry the suitcase and the scooter? It is heavy. So, was there any other vehicle they took?
No, as far as we know, they carried the suitcase